Today marks the beginning of one of the most ambitious aerospace infrastructure projects in history.
The project budget has been approved.
We officially begin building a launch center that will shape the future of global space exploration.
The soil composition and underlying rock structure meet the engineering requirements for large-scale aerospace structure. Coastal access and environmental impact assessment all support long-term development. Final approval has been completed. Ground preparation officially begins today. Construction boundaries have been verified according to the approved master plan. This marks the first physical step toward building the world's largest space launch center. Mass excavation and site leveling are progressing according to the approved engineering schedule. Our objective is to create a perfectly stable foundation for every major structure within the launch center. Deep foundation construction has officially begun across all primary infrastructure zones.
All foundation depth, reinforcement, placement, a Durhu rocket in standards.
These foundations will become the backbone of the world's largest space launch center.
The primary launch pad structure is now under full steel construction.
Today we are building the foundation that will one day launch humanity's future missions into space. The vehicle assembly building is becoming the heart of our future launch operations. This facility is engineered to safely assemble and support the world's largest launch vehicles. This facility will become the command center where every future space mission begins.
All mission-critical networks are being integrated according to international aerospace standards.
The installation of our cryogenic fuel infrastructure is progressing according to the approved engineering schedules. Every storage tank, pipeline, or reliable fuel infrastructure is one of the most critical elements of every successful space launch operation. This transport system will become the vital connection between rocket assembly and the launch pad, ensuring every mission begins safely and efficiently. The first launch vehicle has officially entered final assembly.
Every component is being integrated with absolute precision to ensure maximum mission reliability.
Flight computers, guidance system, years of engineering begin transforming into a real space launch vehicle. Today, we bring the digital brain of the entire Space Launch Center to life. All critical launch software and communication networks are functioning within operational parameters. Rocket stuff and fuels verification has officially entered its final inspection stage. Flight computers. Every successful inspection has us closer to the first historic launch from this world-class space launch center. The roll operation is proceeding exactly according to the approved transport plan. The launch vehicle, our first launch vehicle, reaches the launch pad, bringing this historic project one step closer to its first mission. Final integration with the launch pad has officially begun. Fuel systems are nominal. Launch simulation has officially started. All mission teams report system status. Real-time diagnostics confirm all mission-critical systems remain within operational limits. Rocket fueling operations have officially begun. All systems remain stable. We are now entry-loading the final preparation stage before the first historic launch of our Space Launch Center. Mission Control confirms all systems are operational. Final countdown authorization has been approved.
Well-armed conditions remain within acceptable paired for limits.
After years of engineering, construction, testing, we are now only moments away from our first historic launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Engine ignition confirmed. Liftoff has been successfully initiated. All propulsion, guidance, and communication systems are performing normally. Mission Control confirms successful orbital insertion. The mission is proceeding exactly as planned.
Successful orbit of the new Space Launch Center marks a historic milestone recognized around the world as one of the greatest engineering achievements of the modern era.
This launch center will support future generations of space exploration. Our launch center is now supporting multiple space missions with maximum operational efficiency. International satellite operators and research organizations are actively scheduling future launches. Our next objective is to develop a new generation of reusable launch system. Advanced technologies will significantly improve launch efficiency and mission reliability.
Our interior of space exploration begins with continuous engineering and development.
Today's training prepares our crews for the next generation of space exploration. Every simulation, a world-class launch center is defined not only by its technology, but also by the extraordinary people who will fly beyond Earth. Our first deep space exploration vehicle is entering its final integration phase. Every Stratecraft substitutes, scientific instruments, communication systems, and onboard AI are performing exactly as expected. Today, we are not simply expanding a launch center, we are building the future headquarters of global space exploration. Expansion activities are progressing efficiently with fully integrated intelligent construction systems. Automated analysis confirms excellent structural condition with minimal refurbishment required. Okay, let's run the AI diagnostics on the avionics.
Our launch center is now preparing humanity's next missions to the Moon and Mars.
Our launch center now coordinates space missions across the world through one integrated operational network.
Every launch, satellite deployment, and deep spike mission is monitored continuously in real time. Every launch, satellite deployment, and deep spikes mission is monitored continuously in real time.
Every extraordinary achievement begins with a bold vision, and every great vision is brought to life through engineering. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next engineering masterpiece.